Hello students. So we are going to see about the Lucas test. So what is the use of this Lucas test? Students, this Lucas test is used to differentiate the three types of alcohols, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. So by doing Lucas test, we can easily tell the given compound is primary alcohol, or the given compound is secondary alcohol, or the given compound is tertiary alcohol. So what is the test, sir? What is the reagent we are going to use for this Lucas test? For this Lucas test, I am going to use a reagent called Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. This chemical is only used in Lucas test. Okay. Shall we move to the reactions now? For example, I take a tertiary alcohol first. So this is the example of tertiary alcohol. CH3, 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 OH. This is nothing but a tertiary butyl alcohol. Now, I am going to add a Lucas reagent with this tertiary butyl alcohol. What happened means, the tertiary butyl alcohol containing OH group is replaced by chlorine. So the product formed is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cl. So how we can identify chlorine is formed in the reaction? You will be getting a turbidity. So turbidity appears immediately in case of tertiary alcohol. Okay, right. Next, now I am going to take a secondary alcohol. See, CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is called secondary alcohol. Name of the alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Which chemical we are going to add now? Lucas reagent. Okay. So by adding Lucas reagent, here also the OH is replaced by chlorine. So the product formed is CH3, CH3Cl. Once chlorine is formed means what it indicates? Turbidity appearance. Okay. But here turbidity appears after 5 to 10 minutes. Is it clear? Right. Now, we will go to primary. Example of primary alcohol is CH3, CH2OH. Name of the alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Okay. Here also I am going to use Lucas reagent, correct? What happened means, this OH is replaced by Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl. The Cl is formed in the product indicates turbidity. Is it clear, right? So here turbidity appears only on heating. Understand now? In case of tertiary alcohol, turbidity appears immediately. In case of secondary alcohol, turbidity appears after 5 to 10 minutes. But in case of primary alcohol, turbidity appears only on heating. What is the reason is, this tertiary alcohol, there is no alpha hydrogen atom. Is it clear? So this is a functional group OH. The next carbon is called alpha carbon. This alpha carbon does not contain alpha hydrogen. So in the absence of alpha hydrogen, reaction takes place immediately. That's why turbidity appears immediately. But here, alpha carbon combined with one alpha hydrogen. So in the presence of one alpha hydrogen only, the turbidity appears, takes time. Okay. But in case of primary, the OH is bonded with two alpha hydrogen atom. So reaction taking place only on heating. So this reaction depends upon alpha hydrogen atom. So this is the way of differentiating primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol by Lucas test. Okay students.